So you worked hard to get through our intense finance program. You learned how to underwrite and analyze deals. But we've been asked, how is someone supposed to remember everything that was covered? That's why we are introducing the Riverside Experience Associates program. So how does it work? First, you complete our flagship real estate analysis program. Then, you'll be able to apply your newly acquired knowledge by getting access to our database of deals. Each deal is split into separate tasks. These tasks will give you hands-on experience on everything we've covered in the program, such as market research and rental comps, income and expense statements, projecting the future cash flows, inputting the finance options, and completing a disposition analysis. As an associate, you'll choose a task from a real deal and receive credit hours for each successfully completed task. You will get one-on-one feedback to make sure that you are doing each task correctly, and not only that, you'll get great work experience to put on your resume. Once you complete 40 credit hours, you'll receive a certificate of completion. There is no other training program out there that offers this kind of immersive, real-life experience like this. So sign up today, and I look forward to welcoming you to the program.